Well, there's one thing that they try to misuse the word for their density or buoyancy formula. They try to use weight as gravity there. Weight is the actual balance between the fluids displaced versus the weight of the dense or the object.
You can make a plastic that's exactly the same mass per unit volume as water, and it'll be neutrally buoyant in the water. If
Yeah.
they both have exactly the same mass per unit volume, they will float amongst each other like they're both the same.
I got a gram scale right here and measuring cup that's got a long spout on it. I could perform the test right here by simply filling it up with almost to the edge of the measuring cup up to the spout, drop, dropping an object in it, catching the water that overflows from the measuring cup, and weighing that water. If after I weigh that water, I'll tell you exactly how heavy the object that I just put in there weighs, and then I'll pull out the water and prove it to you.
You sure that doesn't just work for volume?
No, density, anything. I can came up and do it here. Let me find a place to set all this. Electronic scales.
I really thought that was a volumetric thing. Like if you put in a 1 cubic centimeter of gold, which weighs 13 grams or 14 grams, or 1 cubic centimeter of, I don't know, iron, which might be a whole bunch less, maybe 11 grams or whatever per centimeter, then it's still displacement of 1 cubic cc of liquid.
Come on, webcam. There we go. You can see the scale. Okay, got the scale. Turn it on. Put the lid on there. I'm going to tear it out. Now I'm going to put this on here and tear it out again. I have no idea what this weighs. Am I catching it? We're back at 0.0. Now, if you see the cup here, my cup's just a little bit, got an upward angle on it. So I'm going to have to tip it just a little bit to get the water ever so close to the edge with none spilling out. Ah. 18.5 grams. Sounds awful light. Let's find out. 18.5 grams. Imagine that. There you go. It'd be better off if I didn't have that. It's repeatable. It is repeatable. Scales don't lie. The scales do not lie. Now make sure I didn't get no water on there. I won't be able to sell no herb.
Oh my God.
Come on, webcam. There we go. You can see the scale. Okay, got the scale. Turn it on. Put the lid on there. We'll tear it out. Now we're at 0.0. Now I'm going to put this on here and tear it out again. I have no idea what this weighs. Am I catching it? All right. Okay, now I'm going to tear this out again. We're back at 0.0. Now, if you see the cup here, my cup's just a little bit, got an upward angle on it. So I'm going to have to tip it just a little bit to get the water ever so close to the edge with none spilling out. Okay, now this is a junk drawer here. I'm just going to, don't want to weigh that, do we? Let's see, find something small and light to measure. Okay, how about a ink pen or a marker here? All right. Now here we go. Get ever so close. All right, ready to drop. Wow, shucks. I wish I had a better beacon. Wish I had a better beacon. Get something a little bit heavier. Come on, there gotta be something in here. Ah, little crescent wrench instead of big crescent wrench. Yeah, I'll throw some water. Okay, we're back at 0.0. Get the water close enough to the edge. All right. Nice start. 0.0. All right, water's right at the edge. $18.5 grams. Sounds awful light. Let's find out. $18.5 grams. Imagine that. There you go. It'd be better off if I didn't have that. But it's repeatable. It is repeatable. The scales don't lie. The scales do not lie. Now make sure I didn't get no water on there. I won't be able to sell no herb.
my God.